Welcome back to the channel, guys. So peeps, suppose one of your colleague, one of your one of your family member who is abroad link you and say, yo, them go ship 2 barrel of things to your food and clothes and something, you understand? But you have to pay for clear it, and you spend the money, you spend about $31,000. You don't even have the whole of the money, you know. Because there's a mother of 4 and a hustler and you even borrow some of the money to make up the $31,000. When you clear the barrel them now, you realize, say, yo, alone, all clothes and all slippers. You understand what I say in the thing? What you then do? Considering, say, in the past, the same family member they decide to they send you some things again, you never beg them, you know. Them say they send it on, when you clear the barrel, a be all spoiled food. You understand what I say? Worm take up everything and them something there. What you then do? I'm going to share the unfortunate situation facing a woman from Spanish Town who has experienced said situations that I just mentioned on my circle. People wicked enough. So move forward. It says foreigner sends garbage in barrel to relative in Jamaica. It says a struggling single mother of 5, oh, I did say 4, but a 5, has been left frustrated, that's understating it, and heartbroken after she spent her last $31,000 to clear 2 barrels of food and clothes, only to discover that they contain what she described as pure old brook. The clothes them smell moldy, like when you did have something wet up. They are old, bad colored, bad wash, bleach out, paint up, you name it. And irate Lorna McLean said, the Spanish Town St. Catherine resident said the barrel, which was sent to her by a relative who lives in the United States, also contained some slippers, and it looked like rat did a bite it up. McLean, who earns a living by selling pastries and cooking gas, so the woman is a real hustler. Big up yourself, mommy. Guidance, you understand? Said she had to borrow money to help clear the barrels. Yo, boy, may I tell you. She said that she considered it an investment as she thought she could have sold the items to earn some money. I tell you, man, I see the hustle, mommy. I respect the hustle. However, she could not find anyone to give some of the deplorable items to, let alone sell them. You see me, the lady I look on the business side of the thing. Even if I have to spend 31 grand for clear, at least some things me can sell to make up that money they don't. When you see what I want people, real hustler, you understand, is a trying lady. It says the 47-year-old great frustration stems from the fact that this is not the first time she has fallen victim to barrels of rubbish from overseas. In 2014, she sent a barrel. You know, them say once bitten, twice shy. But I guess you see with situation and circumstances more time keep on allowing us to end up in a particular situation. Don't. Because if this lady did have other means in it, she wouldn't even, what may I tell you still? It says the 47 years old great frustration stems from the fact that this is not the first time she has fallen victim to barrels of rubbish from overseas. In 2014, she sent a barrel. The tin food was expired from about 5 and 6 years ago. All spoiled milk was in it. When I opened the barrel, a pure white bug that follow light come out of it. Oh boy, I have to take bad things with you. It is a great insult, Sheila. It is a great insult. You understand what I say? After that incident, McLean said she asked a relative why she sent a barrel of rubbish, and the relative explained that it was a friend who had packed the barrel and shipped it, so she was not aware of the content. A lie she had tell. When the relative again offered to send another barrel, McLean said she was reluctant to accept it, but the relative claimed she was sending good things that could be sold. Yeah, what a wicked relative that, man. Boy, may I tell you. It says, now the frustrated mother is uncertain of what to make of the situation and has displayed the items on her veranda, much to the amusement of persons in the community. She has not contacted her relative about the newest batch of old brock, as she calls it. The way how me upset, me not say nothing to her, because it's not like me call her and beg her things, you know. As she says she gonna help me. Now me stress over the money that I could have used to do other things. She said, adding that she is not an ungrateful person. I don't think so neither. Aware that other Jamaicans have faced the same situation, McLean said she wants foreigners to desist from sending barrels of garbage to Jamaica, as this is causing people to spend hard-earned cash to clear them. You see, uno people, you see, some sometimes end up in some situation, when end up back a yard, you know, and who then I go have no back, who then I go welcome you and try to help you get back on your feet if you thingy, lily down and water down. I tell you about uno.
Family will never check for me. When Trump send you out, better try no link me. Couple months after you go up, you don't remember me. I feel free the food the way you never send me. The $50 they would have mean enough to me. If me not pre nothing else, you me have to free this. USA, after all, Trump a go build a tall wall. Send back couple African, couple Asian, send back couple Mexican, send them back to them homeland and back a people a ball. Trump him a go hard, the Muslim them a go build a bomb and bomb down him yard. Who Trump no like him, who Trump a war him. Me have couple family when never check for me. When Trump send you out, better try no link me. Couple months after you go up, you don't remember me. I feel free the food the way you never send me. The $50 they would have been enough to me. If me not free nothing else, you me have to free this.
Them a preach and preach, the poor but they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, I'm not telling you no lie. I feel a way about that situation. I feel it for that lady here. A mother of 5, a trying lady, a hustler. You see me I say, and somebody do the lady that $31,000 and people, the woman borrow some of the money for deal with the thing and a be a crap them send the lady, you know. I say, oh, people wicked someone, and some of we, you know, when we left Jamaica, we throw one stone back away and we forget about Jamaica, and somehow we end up in some situation sometimes. So we have to come back a yard and say, Mr. Donald Trump, you know, who decides, you see, somehow you know, there, we're comfortable, you know, better watch yourself and be careful what you do to you know, family members them left back at Jamaica, because some of them same one there have to go rescue someone, you know, be careful. And people, you see, sometimes it's better we just do it out so-called assistance from some people, you know, because some people don't mean not good. And some people are plain and simple wicked because it's a wickedness. So peeps, tell me what you then do about a situation and what you then do to the or set to the relative there. What you then do? You then link her, you then just make time take care of she. You understand what I say? Because peeps, it's a wickedness this. You understand what I say? It's a wickedness. I tell the boy, if she deal with her family so, I would lay her sister, you know. If she deal with her family so, how should then deal with me? Yo. But I tell you, say that word I will live with that. I tell you, say more and more every day, I just give up on people, yo. 5 youths the lady have. You understand? I try make it. And them do the lady that, you know, wicked man. I'm out.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.